So quick unboxing and review of this pizza oven that I was sent. This is everything that comes in here. You've got a cover so you can cover it up to keep it safe and travel with it. Your pizza peel, your pizza stone, the whole device comes with a pizza cutter as well. Super, super nice. Everything's very, very easy to set up. So I love that this is super portable, but you can keep it set up as at home as well. And so to use it, you're just going to plug it into a propane tank. You'll need to get your own propane tank. This is a full size one and the connection is full size. Take soapy water after you connect that in there and just give a little bit of water so you can see if there's any leaks there, they'll bubble up. Now this is super easy to use. Once it's all set, you can turn it to ignite. It'll click, the fire will light, and then you're going to use the preheat high speed to get that pizza stone and the oven all up to temperature. And you can see there the flames inside will kind of come up and over to heat the pizza stone and the whole pizza oven. So once your pizza is ready, you'll do a kind of thinner crust. Get it all ready with your toppings. Make sure you have cornmeal or semolina flour so that it doesn't stick. So you want the dough not to stick on the bottom. Slide that in, and about 30 seconds or so, 40 seconds, you can give it a little turn. I recommend getting a pizza peel turner so you can give it a turn to get a nice even bake. Now make sure once you put your pizza in there, you turn it to slow bake so it's not at that super high preheat setting. So preheat it, turn it all the way down, put your pizza in there, and give it some turns to get that. You can see you get that nice bubbly pizza crust in there and that really nice pizza oven texture. So overall, we really like this. Easy setup, super fun to use.